Hi, welcome to our next Level 2 Calculus video. We're going to continue talking polynomials, and in this video we focus on polynomials that have been factored into brackets, and we need to expand them before we differentiate them. So in example 1, let's differentiate this function, y is equal to 2 brackets, the first x minus 4 is being times by the second bracket x plus 7. Alright, let's practice expanding this out. Hopefully you remember from the last couple of years. We go x times x is x to the power of 2, x squared. We go x times this plus 7 gives us plus 7x. We go x times this negative 4 to get negative 4x. And we go negative 4 times positive 7 to get negative 28. When we tidy up the middle two bits, we have this plus 7x take away 4x, and that gives us positive 3x plus 3x. So here's our expanded polynomial, and now we're ready to differentiate. So let's differentiate using the informal notation of y dash and take the first term, x squared. Well, the 2 comes out the front, and then we take away 1 from the power of 2. The 3x, remember, differentiates to just 3. The x disappears. And the minus 28, remember, differentiates to 0. So we have our derivative, which is 2x to the power of 1 plus 3. But remember, we don't need a power of 1, so we just write it as 2x plus 3. Right, let's try our second example. Let's differentiate this function, and you can see it's 3 brackets being times together. X plus 2 times x plus 5 times x plus 9. Hopefully you've covered the algebra standard before, but if you haven't, we're going to quickly show you how to expand 3 brackets again. We take the first 2 brackets like we did in the last example, and we multiply them out to get x squared plus 7x plus 10. And we leave the third bracket alone for now. Right, now we're going to multiply everything in the first bracket by everything in the second bracket, x plus 9. So let's get into it. X squared times x is x cubed. X squared times this plus 9 gives us plus 9x squared. Plus 7x times x gives plus 7x squared. And plus 7x times this plus 9 gives us plus 63x. This plus 10 times this x gives us plus 10x. And finally, positive 10 times positive 9 gives us plus 90. Right, we're going to just simplify this. This plus 9x squared plus another 7x squared gives us plus 16x squared. And this plus 63x plus 10 more x gives us plus 73x. So here is our expanded polynomial. Y is equal to x cubed plus 16x squared plus 73x plus 90. And we're ready to differentiate now. So we'll use the informal notation of y dash, and we'll write it as the 3 comes out the front for the first term, and we take 1 off the power. For the second term, the 2 comes out the front, and we take 1 off the power. Remember, 73x differentiates to 73, and remember the number 90 will differentiate to 0. So when we tidy that all up, we get y dash is equal to 3x squared plus 32x plus 73. Great, thanks for watching.